Alright, y'all. This is my latest litter between my dogs Echo and Wheezey. First time breeding. Echo is a Dutch Shepherd Belgian Malinois mix. Wheezey is a purebred second generation black and tan German Shepherd from right here at Northeast Cape Fear German Shepherd dogs. This is the T litter. We got Tiny Tim and Ty, Theodore, Tuck, Tater, Top, Trace, Tom, Tilly. There's a couple more somewhere around here. There's 10 of them. They love being under this bridge and playing in the ditch. What are y'all doing? What are the babies doing? Look at them. Here they come. Boogity, 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 boogity. Come on, Bubba's. Come on, Bubba's. What you got there, buddy? What you got, Bubba's? Huh? TT, you about to catch up with your brother Tuck there. There's one girl. This is her. Her name is Tilly. Or we call her Tilly. There's Ty. And we got everybody right here now. Tuck. Turbo. Somewhere. There he is. That's Turbo. Black collar. Theodore. Was a pink collar, but these little rascals like playing in the dirt, so they remedied that. Trace and Tom. What you boys got? Bubbies? There's Tater over there by himself. What's up, Turbo? What's that, Turbo? What you say, buddy? What you say, buddy? What you say, buddy? Yeah. They've been vet checked, vaccinated, ready for their new homes. Y'all are eating and chewing up everything. My gracious. Ty, what have you got? Give me that. I don't think you're supposed to have that. Getting hot out here, so we stay in the shade. Tilly. There's Tater. Uh-oh.